In my last video, I talked about the effect sugar has on our brains and on our overall health. We all know we shouldn't be overloading our diets with sugar, but you might not even be aware of how much sugar you're eating every single day. The average American consumes 152 pounds of sugar every year, which is about 22 teaspoons a day. That's a lot of sugar. And as we know, sugar can lead to a host of health problems, including weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. I'm Robin Thomas, lifestyle coach and community leader in holistic health. After 25 years in medical research, I started helping my own clients create a healthy life they love in 2004. Today I'm going to talk about why sugar is so very addictive and how we can protect our brain from sugar and its health consequences. If you're new to my channel, now would be the perfect time to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video with health tips you can use right away. It's only natural to have sugar cravings. Because sweet foods such as ripe fruits are such an excellent source of quick energy, we evolved to find sweet foods particularly pleasurable. When we eat sweets, it activates the reward center in our brain. This part of the brain releases dopamine, which makes us feel happy and satisfied. Dopamine is both a neurotransmitter and a neuromodulator. That means it signals that immediate positive reaction while also providing a longer lasting signal that enhances this positive response. So, since our brain loves to be happy, it reinforces the desire to find more of those sweet foods. Unfortunately, today we're surrounded by sugary foods. We no longer have to forage for them through the bushes. They're easily available everywhere. So what happens when we eat sugar excessively? When sugar is consumed, it actually changes the structure of the brain. It rewires it through neuroplasticity. When our reward center is sparked, the brain adapts, and this results in a tolerance. So when it comes to sweets, we need to eat more in order to get the same pleasurable sensation. That's how we develop cravings for even more sugar. To resist cravings, we need to inhibit our natural response to indulge. But as we know, this is much easier said than done. Boosting our network of inhibitory neurons, which are essential for controlling behavior, is one option. These nerve cells are situated in the frontal cortex, which is a key part of the brain involved with decision making, impulse control, and delaying gratification. The inhibitory neurons release the calming neurotransmitter GABA. When you don't get enough GABA, you might feel anxious, nervous, or irritable, along with an increase in sugar cravings. In my next video, I'll talk more about GABA and how to increase this important calming neurotransmitter naturally. But right now, I want to share 2 other ways why sugar is so addictive and how we can protect our brain from sugar and its health consequences. Many sugar cravings stem from a blood sugar imbalance. When you eat sugar, your blood sugar spikes, and then your body releases insulin to lower it to a safer level. If the insulin brings your blood sugar too low, as often happens, your body craves food that will raise it and increase your energy. You're on that roller coaster with your blood sugar, and getting off of it might be tough. The key to keeping your blood sugar level stable is to eat balanced meals that minimize insulin release, containing protein and healthy fats and fiber-rich foods. The third reason is your gut microbiota. There's a microbiome imbalance. 100 trillion bacteria live in your gastrointestinal tract. They also play a big role in sugar cravings. The good bacteria are important for digestion, nutrient absorption, and a strong immune system. but an imbalance of gut bacteria called dysbiosis has been linked to insulin resistance, cravings, and overeating. When you have too much of the wrong kind of bacteria, they release toxins that damage the lining of your gut. This leaky gut allows food particles and toxins to enter your bloodstream, triggering inflammation and sugar cravings. To heal a leaky gut, you need to eat a variety of foods that promote the growth of good bacteria, including plenty of vegetables, fiber, and fermented foods. You also need to avoid sugar and other processed foods that damage the gut lining. Thanks for watching. If you found value, please let me know with a like. If you've thought of someone who may be interested in information about healthy aging and brain health, please subscribe and share my channel with them. In my next video, I'll be sharing natural ways we can support GABA, the calming neurotransmitter that also helps reduce sugar cravings.